In this video, I will demonstrate the drawing process in Yabinya Karate Pro. Here, I have already added 45 contingents and 1,045 competitors. We can see here, this is the list of contingents that I have added. Then next, to perform the drawing process, click on the Draws and Scoring menu. Then select one category. For the drawing process, click on the Draw Action menu. Create new draws. We can use the participant random feature here. Then click Save Drawing and Scoring. Next, we will perform the drawing process and change positions manually. This feature is only for specific cases. Click on Draws action, then click New Draws. First, we randomize. Click On to activate it. Then click on the participant name that will be swapped. Then click Switch Position. Now the selected player has been swapped. After that, click Off. Then click Save Drawing Result. Next, I will demonstrate the drawing process by adding seated players. Click on Draws action, then click New Draws. Then click the Manage Seated button. As an example, we will add 2 players with seated status. In this section, there is a preferred pool option. We can set it to auto or manual. I will demonstrate placing participants in Pool 1 and Pool 4. Then click Apply. Next, we randomize again. We can see on the bracket that the first seeded player is in Pool 1, and the second seeded player is placed in Pool 4. Then click Save Drawing and Result. Next, I will demonstrate bulk draws or drawing all categories at once. Click Draw Action, then select Bulk Draws All Categories. In the List section, we can see the list of categories to be drawn. Then select Tournament. Then, in this section, there are several bracket display mode options. By default, we will use all categories set to 16-player/pool. Then click Bulk Draws. Wait until all processes are completed. Okay, now all categories have been successfully drawn. Next, we will add one athlete into a category that has already been drawn. Select Player List and Scoring. Click Register Competitors. Click Add Competitor. Select an athlete, then click Submit Selected. We can see that the drawn status is No. Then next, click Draw Action. Select Insert Player to Existing Bracket, then click Insert. The player will be placed automatically in an available and valid position, and it will not significantly change the previous drawing results. Then click Save Drawing and Result. In the next video, we will learn how to add schedules to our event.